Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In today's video, we'll see how to crochet this very pretty lace rectangular shawl. The shawl is very airy, light-weighted, delicate, and has a very beautiful open work pattern. This pattern is very easy and is therefore suitable for a beginner. This shawl needs blocking after completion because it will open up all those chain spaces which forms this beautiful pattern. After blocking, your shawl will measure about 15 inches wide and 70 inches long. The length is adjustable. A return pattern is available in my blog, thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. You can also purchase an ads-free PDF version of the pattern. I will provide all the links in the description box below. For the shawl, I used 550 meters of a light worsted weight or a DK weight yarn and a 4 mm crochet hook. I used 200-gram balls of this acrylic yarn. You can use any yarn and a suitable hook. Let's begin by making a slip knot. Then make 80 chains. Okay, I have worked the chains and now we'll start the first row. So we'll make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in rest of the chains across. So by the end of this row you will have 79 single crochet stitches. We are starting with a small border for the shawl. Okay, the first row is complete and now let's start the second row with chain 4. This chain 4 will count as your first double crochet stitch and a chain 1. Now skip the next stitch and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1, skip the next stitch and work a double crochet in the next stitch again. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this across, working double crochet in every alternate stitch with a chain in between. Now we have come to the end of the row. Chain 1 and now I'll work a double crochet in the last stitch. We'll start the next row, which is a single crochet row. So chain 1, turn and work a single crochet in the first stitch, then single crochet in the next chain 1 space, single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Repeat this across, working single crochet in each stitch and in each chain 1 space until the last stitch. You will have 79 stitches. The next row is the chain 1 space row. We will be repeating rows 2 and 3 2 more times. So if you wish to have a bigger border, you can work more repeats. I have done twice more. After repeating rows 2 and 3 2 more times, you will repeat one single crochet row, which is row number 8. In row number 8, you will work a single crochet in each stitch across. I have completed the 8 rows that form the border. Next, we'll move on to the main part of the shawl. Chain 3, this will count as your first double crochet. Then work double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then chain 3, skip the next 2 stitches and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 7, skip 5 stitches, single crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 3, skip 2 stitches and make double crochet in the next 4 stitches. You will be repeating this pattern across. Again chain 3, skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet in the next stitch, and chain 7, skip 5 stitches and make a single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, skip 2 stitches and double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Repeat this until the end of the row. You will complete the row with double crochet in the last 4 stitches. We'll start the next row with the chain 3 and then double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 7, make a single crochet in the chain 7 space, again chain 7. Now work double crochet in the next 4 double crochets. Chain 7, single crochet in the next chain 7 space, again chain 7, double crochet in the next 4 double crochets. Repeat this pattern across. The main part of the shawl consists of only 2 rows. We'll start the next row, chain 3, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then chain 3, single crochet in the first chain 7 space, then chain 7, single crochet in the next chain 7 space, then chain 3, double crochet in the next 4 double crochet stitches, again chain 3, single crochet in the first chain 7 space, then chain 7, single crochet in the next chain 7 space, chain 3, double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So this row and the previous row are the two rows that will be repeated throughout. Now I am working the row 10 repeat. So repeat rows 10 and 11 until you reach about 2.5 inches. That is the height of my border. So if you are making a bigger border, then accordingly you can measure. So I am stopping when I reach 2.5 inches, less than the intended length of the shawl. So you will be finishing with row 11. Now we are working the border at the other end. So chain 1 and make a single crochet in the first 4 double crochet stitches, and then work 2 single crochets in the next chain 3 space, single crochet in the next single crochet. Now work 5 single crochets in the next chain 7 space, then single crochet in the next single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and then single crochet in the next 4 double crochet stitches. Continue this across. Again 2 single crochets in the chain 3 space, single crochet in single crochet, 5 single crochet in chain 7 space, then single crochet in the next single crochet, 2 single crochets in the next chain 3 space, and single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Repeat this until the end of the row, and then you will repeat the rest of the 7 rows that you worked initially for the border. So the next row will be a single crochet row followed by a chain space row and single crochet row 3 times. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you.